Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Play Services version unusable problem in Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your settings, then go to the apps, search here Google Play Services, press on Google Services, press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on manage space, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read the sentence. All these apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases and etc. Then press on OK. Then go back. Then open Google Play Store. Press on force stop. Press on force stop. Press on storage. Press on clear data. Apps data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing this, update your Play Store. Press on your profile icon. Press on settings. Here you select account. Here you can see here about Play Store version. From here you update your Google Play Store. Press on update Play Store. If your Google Play Store not to update your Google Play Store, then restart your mobile, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix Google Play Services version unusable problem in Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.